feel like my sweet mates can hear me, so I'm trying to be quiet, but happy Vlogmas day 1. Right now, I'm like stressing out. Today's going to be a really fun but stressful day. Am I losing my voice? Do I sound different? Today I have my first meetup, which I'm really excited about with 321, which I'm nervous that no one's gonna come. I'm really excited for that. Hopefully people will come. My room, you know when you're like deep cleaning it and it's like in that stage of like it's almost clean but it needs to get messy first before it gets clean because you need to like take everything out? That's the stage that it's at. I'm actually stressing out a lot right now because I am in an MCN, which is a multi-channel network, and I definitely think I'm losing my voice. Fantastic. They're the people that pay me and they take a portion of my pay, and the contract ends tomorrow. I don't want to renew it because I don't want them to continuously taking like a percentage of my pay. So I need to like figure out if AdSense is like what pays people that do YouTube if they're not in a multi-channel network. And so I need to figure out if like I have an AdSense account or if I need to make one, and I'm really confused and I'm stressing about it because I'm like, this is my job. So my mom a while ago, she's like, I have a present for you for Vlogmas, and I was like, a present for Vlogmas? Like what? And she got me an advent calendar. How cute is that? So this is from QVC if you're wondering. And so every day I'm just gonna be opening these. I kind of forgot about it, and my sister was like, be careful when you open it because I almost like ripped my fingernail off, and that's cute. So day 1. What is this? This is all makeup items, by the way. It's not coming out. Now I get what she means. Get out. I'm leaning you up against like a trash bag. Yeah, no. I hope this is not an everyday thing where I like struggle getting out. This is what it is. If it'll focus. Da, 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 da. It's neck cream. So I just showered. I did my makeup. I need to get dressed. I have no idea what to wear. So since the event is at Rue 21, it's kind of like etiquette that you like wear some Rue 21 clothes. So here are some of the things that I got. This isn't everything that I got from them. These are like kind of my options. And then I got so many shoes, guys. From there to there to there. Got a lot of shoes. I'm in a really weird mood right now. I feel like numb. Do you ever just feel like you're not like happy, you're not sad, you're just like not necessarily content, you're just like you don't have like feelings or like emotions? Like that's just kind of how I feel today. I don't know why. I could wear these pants which I really like. I just don't know what shirt I would wear. And then I have this jean jacket which I think is really cute. This is really soft, but like it kind of goes up and you can see my stomach, and probably not. This is cute, but like I don't know if it's like fancy enough. And there's this bodysuit, and then there's this which I don't necessarily want to wear. Then I have this like jean like bomber jacket kind of thing. This is the first option. I feel like I'm going to like a business meeting with these pants, but I kind of like them, you know. What if I put the jean jacket on? This is a bodysuit. I'm not feeling it. Then there's this outfit, there's this one, and then there's this one. And I feel like I'm about to go like play polo at a private school that I go to in England. Why? Don't know. Do I like it? Yeah. I think I'm gonna go with the first outfit. Just walked up some stairs. Give me a second. Okay. Now I'm in my car. I haven't eaten anything today, so I'm hoping that like getting food to me will like bring my energy up, because I literally have no energy to do anything right now. I'm hoping that like, I'm just afraid that I'm gonna be really boring when I meet you guys. No one's gonna come. Let's be real. Weird. I just honked. I just honked by accident. I hope no one's in here and heard that. But yeah, I'm about to get an acai bowl. The place I'm going is in Tempe Marketplace, and I heard that Tempe Marketplace is the most abducted place in America. Makes me feel so safe. Love it. It looks like a tornado hit my room. My room has never been this messy. Since I've been living alone in this dorm, I've never had my room be this messy, and it's just because like I need to clean and like do laundry and stuff, but like our elevators aren't working, so like there's no way that I'm not about to like walk down like 14 sets of stairs to like bring the stuff. So waiting for the elevator to be fixed. I'm like freaking out over this meetup. I'm like stressing about it. I ate my acai bowl in the car, so I didn't show you, but like I'm like panicking about it. Like I don't think anyone's gonna show up, and it's like a far drive, and I'm like shaking and I'm nervous, and like I don't want to disappoint you guys, and then like I know I'm gonna be awkward, and I know like I'm not like the mood I'm in right, and I'm just like anyone does come, I want them to like me, and honestly they won't, and like I'm panicking, and I'm also like panicking that no one's gonna show up, and that's just gonna be awkward. Or like what if like I give off the wrong impression? Like I'm panicking and I don't know what to do. I'm like trying to watch Netflix. I'm like trying to do something to like distract myself, but like nothing's working at all. None of my friends are Snapchatting me back to distract me, so all I'm doing is just sitting here, and like every time I think about it I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Then I run to the bathroom, and then I can't throw up, and then I'm like, great. I already showed you the outfit, but this is the one that I picked. And then the boots I'm wearing are those ones in the corner. I'm gonna leave in like 35 minutes, and I already know that I'm gonna be early, but I'd rather be early than late. Panicking. You guys, I'm so excited to meet you, but this has been like the worst day ever. I'm sitting in my car, and I'm just considering sitting here for an hour. Like, not gonna lie, because my logic, I am the type of person where like I always have to be early. Like I can't be late. My meetup starts at 4, but I need to be there by 4:30 so you can get like everything set up, and I don't know. I don't really know why I have to be there early, but I just know I do. And it's a 33-minute drive from my dorm. So that's like an hour, 3 minutes. So I was like, okay, like I'll leave at like 50. I am stupid and calculated time wrong, which I do all the time. It's now 1:50, but like I have to leave at 2:50. But for some reason, I thought I had to leave at 1:50. So since my elevators are broken, I like walked all the way down the stairs and so I have to walk all the way back up. It's been 30 minutes, still 30 more to go. I'm so bored. Good thing I came here early. There's someone parking right there. They can see me vlog. Good thing I came here early because literally there's no parking. I've never seen an outlet mall be this busy. I've never been to this outlet mall. Oh my god, he almost hit me. I've never been to an outlet mall that is like this busy. Chaotic. I have no idea where the store is because again, I've never been to this location. This is the backdrop. Oh, are we taking a picture? Awkward.
Ready, and 3, 2, 1. No, it was just like really bright. 3, 2, 1, smile. 3, 2, 1. I'm so thinking about photos. Yeah, I did.
That's the sign. And then, oh my god, that's, I didn't see this. Look, that's me. That's weird. Kira took that photo. And like these are outfits that I picked out. Some of them I didn't pick out, but they're cuter than the ones that I picked out. I own this. Oh my god, I own a lot of this.
Gnarly. How many cameras?
This is so cute. Do you guys have the only reason I want to go to ASU? I'm in high school right now. Like you're the only reason I want to go to ASU. Like my whole family's on the now and
Okay, I don't know what to say, but you guys will say hi. Wait, it's out of focus. This camera, I feel like half the time I talk to it, it's just blurry and I'm like, I need to say it again.
But like it's okay.
Do you guys want to like introduce yourselves or say hi or something?
Hi, I'm Angelica. I'm Evelyn.
You know, even though it's finals week, very short, stressful week, I do hope that we get everything settled. And you kind of don't have to worry about doing Vlogmas every day because as a college student, I do understand the struggle. Homework, finals, studying. Like, it's always better to have, like right now, your education settled and then worry about Vlogmas because it's like, it's important. I do want to say it's important. So, good luck.
Love that.
Okay.
Wait, I think what did I do to it? Oh wait, there we go. Do you guys want to, I'm like shaking, why? Do you want to say your names or like say hi or something? Give anyone a shout out, anything?
I don't know what to shout out, but
I know, it's a lot of pressure. You're like, shout out to me.
I know, honestly, shout out to myself.
Be like, I'm awesome. Anything else you want to say to it? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe more.
Maybe that was my fail.
Okay, cool. There we go, that's better. Okay, so you want to hold it here, move your chin, touch the bottom, fold once, and then one more all the way to the top. Boom.
Do it? Oh, very close. I'm sorry. I'm bright red because the car in front of me has their brake lights on. But it just ended and it was just so much fun and I was... Courtney, who's the girl that like helped set up, she was the nicest. I look so creepy. Better. She was just the nicest person ever and everyone that I just met was just so incredible and I'm just so like thank you to Rue 21. Oh, my feet are killing me. I just took my shoes off. I was standing in heels for like ever. It was just so much fun. And thank you to Katie, my manager, for you know vlogging and everything. Cannot express to you guys how thankful I am that you guys are in my life and you guys are here to support me. Like people would actually come to meet me. That's incredible and I just want to like from the bottom of my heart like say why every time I talk I'm out of focus. From the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me and being here with me through everything and it means the world to me and I cannot express to you how much I love you and how much you guys mean to me and like it's just weird because like I don't really normally see faces, I just see numbers and it's like when I see faces it's just like what? And I like almost started crying several times because how much I love you guys. But yeah, I'm driving back home. It's gonna be like a 40-minute drive. It's in the middle of the night, so it's actually not the middle of the night, it's 6 o'clock, but it's dark. Look how dark. See, it's so dark. Also blurry, but like yeah, I'll see you when I get home. I'm still in my car, but like look at how cute these photos my sister sent me of my dog. So you guys, I'm so excited to like go back home and like show you guys like vlog with my dog every single day. You guys are gonna love it. She's so cute. So I'm back in my dorm right now. I just watched the last like couple episodes of the first season of the Netflix show I'm watching. It's called Designated. It's called Designated Survivor. I literally rebought Netflix because I canceled it because I was too busy, but then I rebought it so I could watch the show. But I have to pee right now. I think I'm just gonna chill in my dorm alone for the rest of the night. Maybe clean. All the washing machines like on my entire floor are broken. No, clean clothes. Thank you so much for watching the first day of Vlogmas. I hope you guys are excited, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!